What is up, crypto legends? Feast your eyes on this wallet. Pure, unadulterated soul gains right there. You think this is luck? Nah, fam, this is calculated. If you're sick of being exit liquidity and ready to be the liquidity, strap in. I'm about to break down the exact moves for launching meme coins that absolutely rip. No fluff, just pure alpha. Let's get into it. Let's be crystal clear. Launching on pumpfun these days? You're asking for pain. That platform is a total free-for-all. Coins pop up and vanish faster than free pizza at a Deegan meetup. Getting any traction is a pipe dream. The smart players left that scene in the dust. It's become a dumping ground, not a launching pad. For real returns, you gotta look elsewhere, trust. So where's the real game being played? Radium, no doubt. It's a different universe. We're seeing fewer, but far more potent launches. Coins with serious backing and explosive market cap potential. The catch? Radium demands a bit of technical know-how to get listed, which naturally filters out the spam. This is where a well-executed project can truly shine and catch that parabolic wave. But if coding ain't your jam, it seems impossible, right? Wrong. But I've got the ultimate cheat code for you. pumpfun.io. This site is your direct line to Radium, minus the developer headaches. pumpfun.io simplifies the entire token launch process into a few brain-dead easy steps. This is how you get your coin listed with the big dogs, no coding experience needed. It's a game changer. First up, your coin needs an identity, a logo that stops the scroll. We're christening this one sun pig. Picture a cheerful pig soaking up the sun, maybe with some shades. Instant meme appeal. Head over to Canva, create a 128 by 128 design. Craft your sun pig, make it memorable, export it. Your coin's visual hook, done and dusted. This is crucial. Time to forge sunpig on pumpfun.io. And the beauty of this platform? No wallet connection for the actual token creation. Top-tier security. All right, token name, sunpig. Symbol, sunpig. Simple, effective. Description, I just paste what I already pre-generated. Keep it light. Upload that killer logo. Tokenomics. That 1 billion total supply is the gold standard. Don't mess with perfection. Whale metadata. Make sure this is toggled on. It's a signal of professionalism and transparency that attracts serious capital and whale attention. Don't skip it. Social links. You can plug them in, but for a lightning launch, I often bypass this. Radium's ecosystem provides plenty of exposure. Now, the critical checkboxes: revoke authorities. This is key. Revoke mint authority, revoke freeze authority, and revoke metadata update authority. All three must be enabled on. This trio is your badge of honor, proving to the market that your coin is fair, no surprise token dumps, no frozen wallets, no bait and switch on the coin's info. This is what separates legit projects from scams. Okay, next, pumpfun.io's slick feature. Paste your personal Solana wallet address right here. This is where your freshly minted sunpig tokens will appear, totally secure, as your main wallet isn't directly involved in the minting. I'm putting in my phantom address. Click Create Token. pumpfun.io will then give you a specific Solana address. This is for the creation fee. Just a little bit of soul. Copy that, pop over to your wallet, and fire off the soul. Massive warning, do not leave the pumpfun.io page after you've sent the fee. Let it process. It might take 10 seconds, it might take 30. Closing the page prematurely could mean your transaction fails. Be patient. And we have liftoff. Token created successfully. pumpfun.io now shows your official sunpig token contract address. Copy that. Sunpig is now etched into the Solana blockchain. A quick trip to SolScan confirms it. Minted, verified, and looking good. Now, let's get this pig to market. A token isn't truly alive until it has liquidity. Let's get sunpig swimming. From pumpfun.io, click Create Liquidity Pool, or you can just head directly to Radium. Connect your wallet there. For the base token, you'll paste the sunpig contract address we just copied. Symbol, sunpig, name, sunpig. Add and select it. Your full 1 billion sunpig supply should display. We're committing 900 million to establish the market. Quote token is Solana. Max out your sol for this, but remember to leave about 0.2 sol aside for Radium's fees. They usually flag this. This sol is your initial stake that makes trading possible. For the fee tier, 2% is the go-to. Simple and effective. All systems go, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool. Confirm it in your wallet. And just like that, SunPig is officially tradable on Radium, ready to make some waves. Now that SunPig is out in the wild with its liquidity locked, it's showtime. Trust me, every new Radium launch gets eyeballs. The hunters are always searching. Time to track our creation. Grab your SunPig address from pumpzone.io or SolScan. Navigate directly to DEX Screener. Here's the quick way. Load up any token's chart on DEX Screener, then simply go to the browser's address bar and swap out that token's contract ID with your SunPig address. Press enter, and bam, your SunPig chart appears live. You'll notice some immediate tiny trades. Those are just the network bots. Pay them no mind. We're on the lookout for the real volume, the genuine investor interest. Hold the phone. What was that? Our first significant buy just hit the charts for SunPig. A nice chunk of sol just flowed in. You can see the liquidity pool growing already. That's the signal we wanted. Are you kidding me? Another wave of buys. This one's even chunkier. SunPig is definitely turning heads. People are jumping in. Look at that market cap start to inflate. This is the rush. The green candles taking off. Get out of here. A third massive influx of capital just poured into SunPig. This is escalating quickly. The FOMO is kicking in for real. This is textbook meme coin mania unfolding live. SunPig has had a glorious run, basking in the green glow of the charts. Now the moment we've all been waiting for, securing those sweet, sweet profits. It's harvest time. Navigate back to your Radium portfolio, make sure your wallet is still linked, and select the Standard tab. Find your SunPig LP position, then click that little minus symbol. We're taking all our chips off the table. Slide that bar to a full 100%. Take a second to appreciate that juicy sol amount you're about to withdraw. Ready? Click Remove Liquidity. Approve the transaction when your wallet prompts you and let the blockchain process it. That's how you convert a hot meme into cold, hard sol in your wallet. This method has a strong track record. As they say, fortune favors the bold and the fast. Those who get in early often reap the biggest rewards, while laggers might just get leftovers. A clean setup and decisive action are crucial. In the crypto casino, timing can be everything. Extremely important strategy that has shown results. However, be aware that such profitable niches in the crypto world can be ephemeral. The market is constantly evolving. If this approach piques your interest, thorough research and prompt action might be warranted. These opportunities can disappear overnight. Don't just spectate, smash that like, subscribe for more breakdowns, and may your crypto journey be prosperous. Peace out.